In this video series, we're going to talk about how to craft an effective research paper introduction. A research paper introduction is the opening section of a research paper that serves as an initial presentation of the study content, purpose, and the context. It is designed to engage the reader, provide essential background information, and set the stage for the rest of the paper. Next, let's have a look. Elements of a strong introduction. The first one is a hook. Start with an attention-grabbing anecdote, a quote, or question, or something like a startling fact. The second one is the background. Provide context and explain the broader field of study. The third one is the rationale. Justify the importance of your research and its contribution to existing knowledge. It is important to mention the problem statement. Clearly state the research problem or question. Next, the objectives. Outline the goals and purpose of your study. Last, that's the scope. Define the boundaries of your research and what it is covered. Let's have a look. How to get an effective hook. Use a thought-provoking question related to your research topic. Or you can start with a powerful quote that aligns with your study's theme. Maybe you can try a surprising statistic or fact that captures attention. Begin with a brief, relevant anecdote to engage your readers. When we talk about the elements of effective research introduction, it is essential to talk about the providing background information. Give an overview of the field of study your research belongs to. Highlight key concepts and terms that your readers need to understand. Briefly summarize previous research related to your topic. Don't forget to give references and cite those research papers. And explain how your research fits into the large context. Another very important element of the research introduction section is the justifying your research. Explain why your research is important and relevant, and identify gaps or limitations in current knowledge. You can discuss the potential benefits of your research findings for academia or real-world applications. Showcase how your research addresses a specific issue or problem. When you are writing a research introduction, it is important to state the problem and the objectives of the research. Clearly articulate the research problem or question and highlight the significance of solving this problem and address the question. Outline the specific objectives of your study, indicating what you aim to achieve. Stating the problem and objectives of the research paper is very important in establishing the foundation and the direction of the study. This critical step serves several key purposes. The first one is the clarity and focus. Clearly stating the research problem or question provides a clear roadmap for the reader, guiding them to what the study aims to investigate. It defines the central issue that the research seeks to address, ensuring that the paper remains focused and cohesive. The second one is the relevance and significance. The problem statement demonstrates the relevance and significance of the research. It shows why the chosen topic is important within the broader context, whether it's filling a knowledge gap, addressing an issue, or contributing to the field of study. The third one is the purpose and goals. The objectives outline the specific goals and intentions of the research. They indicate what the researcher aims to achieve through the study, providing a concrete framework for measuring the research success. The fourth one is the reader's expectations. By stating the problem and objectives upfront, the readers gain a clear understanding of what to expect from this research paper. This helps in engaging the reader's interest and motivating them to continue reading. Creditability. Clearly stating the problems and objectives enhance the credibility of the research. It demonstrates that the study has a clear purpose and it is not simply exploring the topic randomly. It is essential to define the scope, specify the boundaries of your research, and explain what aspects will be included and excluded in your research. Provide a clear understanding of the focus of your study. Finally, let's talk about do's and don'ts. Do's. Do grab the reader's attention from the beginning. To provide essential background information. To clearly state the problem and objectives. To justify the importance of your research. Let's have a look. What are don'ts? Don't make your introduction overly long. Don't overwhelm with technical jargon. Don't leave the reader wondering about the research significance. Don't include unnecessary details. Thank you. See you in another video.